हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज की वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं एक ऐसे इवेंट के बारे में जहां पे हम डिस्कस करेंगे सारे रिवीजन टेक्निक्स जो कि हमारे खुद के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिन्होंने आईएम क्रैक किया, कैट 21 क्रैक करके फिलहाल फर्स्ट ईयर आईएम में बैठे हुए हैं। दो स्टूडेंट्स वी आर गोइंग टू कम अप विद अ डिटेल्ड सेशन वेयर वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द रिवीजन टेक्निक्स। सो आपको करना क्या है इसके अंदर, इफ आई गो क्विकली ओके एंड टेल यू अबाउट दिस। ओके, सो दिस इवेंट इज गोइंग टू बी ऑन 16th of October where we have our own students. Okay, so Adela is going to come there. Okay, Sumit is also going to come. Okay, they are right now doing their MBA from IIM Kozhikode and Indore respectively. But yes, okay, we have our faculties as well. Okay, we have Abhijit sir, we have Ankur sir, and detail mein this is going to be an intensive session. Okay, where just 1 month before the CAT exam, okay, all the shortcut techniques are going to be revised here. How these students, what did they do last year? Okay, how did they manage to crack the IIM? Okay, and all that is going to be discussed. So agenda, these are the 5 points agenda. Okay, what did they focus in the last 1 month? Okay, कई बार ये एक कंफ्यूजन होता है कि सर मैं स्ट्रॉन्ग एरिया पे फोकस करूं कि वीक एरियाज को इंप्रूव करते रहूं। ओके, मैं मॉक्स की फ्रीक्वेंसी या मॉक्स को एनालाइज करने का क्या सही तरीका होना चाहिए, जैसे स्टूडेंट्स ने लास्ट ईयर किया था वो क्या था, हाउ मेनी आवर्स टू स्टडी, एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट कि लास्ट के एक महीने में टाइम मैनेजमेंट यानी कि जो आपका स्टडी टाइम है वर्सेस जो रिलैक्सेशन टाइम विच इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। तो ये चीजों पे हम कैसे फोकस कर सकते हैं एंड हाउ टू टैकल देयर सेक्शन वाइज challenges. Okay, the reason why I have put this point is because I was talking to these students. Okay, मैंने एडेला से बात किया था, I spoke to Sumit, and obviously they had their own weak areas. So Sumit, okay, if you see Sumit come from a commerce background, he's a fresher candidate. Okay, as a commerce fresher, he converted IIM Indore. So obviously he had his own challenges towards quants. Okay, Adela being an engineering student, okay, she was good in quants, but her LRDI section was very, something that she was, struggling there. So with her work experience, okay, with almost 2-3 years of work experience, how did she manage? So all of this we are going to discuss. Okay, these are the list of speakers. Okay, so Adela and Sumit will be there. But yes, you have our experienced faculties as well who will also be there. Okay, to discuss about how you should be going ahead with these revision techniques. Okay, in the last 1 month of time. Okay, ध्यान रखना, workshop is going to be on 16th of October. This is going to be coming Sunday. 11 a.m. onwards we are going to start it off. Okay, it's going to be really intensive. Okay, a lot of students every year attended, more than 300 students last year attended. So this year we are expecting, okay, now to cross 350 400 numbers as well. Okay, it is going to be on Zoom. Okay, so the link, okay, of this session will, you will get that, okay, in a personal email, okay, and WhatsApp groups as well. But for that you have to register for this workshop. Okay, the link is given to you in the description. वहां से आप इसको register कर लो so that you get all the details with regards to this workshop, and you can join on 16th of October. Okay, 11 a.m. onwards, and you have the flexibility that during the session you can unmute, you can cross question, you can talk to the faculties, talk to these toppers, and you can get the right guidance. Okay, because the last 1 month can definitely change a lot of things, okay, in your scores. Okay, all the best guys, and make sure that you do register for this. All the best.